What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. I'm gonna go over our friend SPX. We hit $2. Very exciting times. Price discovery. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. But we are in multiple trades. Ethereum Giga. Stick around to the end of the video. Completely free access to my trading group. We're sitting at $1.98. We're up 6.24 on the day. Seeing a market 1.84 billion. 25 volume. 131 million. So if we hop into the chart. As you can see, we bounced right from our wave 4 pullback zone. So you can see how well Elliott wave works. There's your wave 2 pullback zone bounce, wave 4 pullback zone bounce. Now the normal target for the wave 5 is in between the 61.8 and the 78.6, $2.38, $2.63. But in Elliott wave, any break above the 3 can complete the 5, so it can turn around at any time. But this is your normal target. As I was mentioning in the previous video, if you zoom out, we've already completed 5 waves off this low here at 25 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we're about to complete it right now. So once we do complete that, unless we see the mania, like we just go completely parabolic, then TA is useless. But then you should see a larger pullback in that $2 range, maybe $3. Pull back, maybe $1.50, and then continuation, because that's 5 waves up. So technically, let's say it pushes to $2.38. Let me remove this fib. You can see a deeper pullback. It is possible. I've seen it many times in alt season where you just see nasty pullbacks. It does happen. So let's say we push to $2.38. Then you can see a pullback, because this is a 5-way move into a 1. You can see a pullback all the way down in between the 50%. That's 77 cents, guys, and 40 cents. Personally, I don't know how likely this scenario is, because we're very close to, like, we have a lot of signals that alt season is starting. And when it starts, technical analysis is useless, because it's just rocket. You just fly. And, you know, you try to guess when the pullbacks are going to come, then you fly another 50% the very next day. So, yeah, TA becomes a little bit useless, but if we were to see a larger pullback, let's say Bitcoin dominance sees a big bounce as it's hitting the channel, money flows into Bitcoin, boom, you can pull all the way back there. But personally, I don't think that's super likely. Either we see a shallow 2, or we just go into alt season and we have to readjust the wave count because it just starts to go absolutely insane. But we'll have to see once we push up to $2.38 or $2.63, or we pull back from here, how deep we go. We will have to look at a wave 2 pullback, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin dominance. But as of right now, we're in price discovery. I showed you guys that inverse head and shoulders. We're pushing up towards that target 229, pretty close to our wave 5 target. It's looking really good, but it would be healthy to pull back. As you can see, we're ranging into overbought on the RSI. Right here, we're overbought, we pull back. On the weekly chart, when you go into a full-on alt season, you get really overbought on the indicators for like months, and then it's over. So I do think it will end in November. I'll be selling in August, September, October, maybe a little bit in November, like 5% a week. DCA out, 5% a week. Or 10% a week, whatever you're comfortable with. But that's the best way, in my opinion, to lock in your gains. Because if you're waiting for like $100 SPX and it doesn't come, you get burned. It could come. But like, let's say SPX hits $5, boom, you take 10%, $10 or 5%. Probably I'll take around 5%. And then $10, 5%, you know, $15, 5%, or $20, 5%, so on and so forth. I like to DCA out. The same way I DCA into a position, I'll DCA out. So I do think $50 a coin is very possible. $20 at least. I think that's a super modest prediction with the amount of interest and with the amount of movement we've already seen. And we're only really like touching the surface of alt season. But I do think $50 is very on the table. If we were to go to $50, it would be over 100x for me, or around 100x, because I got in at 45 cents. And, you know, it'd be a 7-figure payday. So I wouldn't mind a few 7 figures and sell around $50. But we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. But in the short term, look for $2.38 or $2.63, but I can pull back at any time because we've already broken the wave 3 high, but those are your normal targets. All right, gang, we are in 2 trades. You can have completely free access to my trading group. Take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. This is one of the top exchanges. You can hold SPX on here. You can trade all kinds of different coins. Take the 30 seconds. That's all you have to do. There's no strings attached, and send me an email. I'll send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite coins, including SPX, as well as my trade setups. We're going to trade for Giga in profit, Ethereum, hit TP1, and almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. One of the best deals on YouTube, in my opinion. There's no charge. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.